Okay. Hey everybody, it's Bronte. If for those of you, I notice I don't even introduce myself when I make these videos. So, hello, my name is Bronte. I am the owner, CEO of PrymeLuxe. I also work at the hair salon, Salon Prime. And I just wanted to come on here and show you guys again the foam eyelash wash that I have. Don't mind my mannequin head over here. It's a little beat up. But hey, it does its purpose. So the foam wash that I have is, I've never seen anything like it. Like, seriously. I wear glasses normally. So I have contacts in right now when I do my makeup. It's the end of the day. I'm ready to take my makeup off. I'm ready to be done with everything. So I have my kit here, which includes the eyelash spoolie to clean your lashes if you need to. Also the brush. Mine's a bit dirty because I've used it several times. But you get the brush, and I'll show you how to use that. And then you also get PrymeLuxe tweezers, which I don't have with me right now, but they're on the site. And then I also have the wash, which is here. So like I said, I wear contacts, so this wash is gentle enough to go directly in your eye without causing any damage to your contacts, eyes, or makeup or anything like that. So to get started, go ahead and kind of tuck my hair away a little bit, and I'm going to get a makeup wipe. So I like to do this before I actually get in the shower and wash my face completely with the facial wash and stuff. I like to go ahead and get a makeup wipe and get most of it off before I even have to go appeared, like always. You want to say hi, Kimari?
Hi.
Kimari says hi. He's sitting on the floor watching his movies, or supposed to be watching his movies. My eye's not irritated.
No.
I don't have anything in my eye.
Yeah.
Go have Bubba do it.
Bubba. Yeah. I got it.
So, again, I'm putting all of this wash on my eye. And so I'm just working that foam wash on that lash line, and the lashes comes right off. So, again, I have contacts in. Nothing's affecting my eye. It's not blurry. It doesn't sting. It doesn't hurt. Nothing like that. So I'm just going to use a wipe to get the rest of this off. All right. And then I will completely clean my face once I get in the shower tonight. So this is how I kind of like to pre-clean my face before I get in the shower and actually wash it really good with my exfoliator and other facial washes that I have. So as you can see, that foam wash did not irritate my eyes whatsoever. Everything was fine. So the lashes that I took off are here. They have makeup residue glue on here. So I will just gently pull that off from the band. And then I will lay these in the tray to air dry. Once they air dry, you can close the tray. I like to let them dry with the tray open Doesn't get any, moisture in the case or anything. Once they have completely dried, then you are ready to reapply. Just give them maybe 10-20 minutes and they will be dry again. So that is all. I just wanted to show you guys how to do that makeup removal process with my foam wash. Again, this is available on the site. It comes in a kit for $25 at www.PrymeLuxe.com. Thanks.